Okay, so this is an episode for the cryptic path. So what I'm exploring right now is going into nature and really exploring it. So it's stepping into nature, but also not being afraid to get close to it and explore around. You can almost imagine like if I'm an animal in a sense and allowing myself to really look closely at things, to touch things, get the direct experience with my senses. So, and yeah, I'm exploring like letting my different sensory things come alive, like visually look at how incredible the architecture or complexity is here. If you allow yourself to explore it, it's quite unfathomably like beautiful or complicated or creative in just its own natural way. So I'm allowing myself to get really close and connect with it. The color, the texture, the smell, all of it is all part of this rich experience that I'm exploring with nature currently and sharing with you guys as a type of permission slip to get really close. Like, let's go down, let's explore what's in here. There could be an animal, there could be anything. So, yeah, this is my own sort of version of exploration that I'm doing, going down this cryptic path, or maybe it's a little bit of my own path, my own way. I'm finding my own way, working to understand, even play a little bit, be creative, get really immersive, explorative, being grateful, allowing myself to make mistakes. So this may be a new type of video I might share with you guys, like going right into it and showing you guys you can get right up and into it. Doesn't mean something might not jump out at you, but it's all part of better learning and understanding. And even if there is mistakes made, I have respect for nature. So thank you guys.